Hey everybody, Mr. Smith here with some video instructions for the week of November 2nd in Canvas. I want everybody to go to the week of November 2nd, and here are some specific instructions for today, Thursday. You can always look at this again in video help, but the first thing I want you to do is add my class to Google Classroom because we are no longer using Microsoft Teams. Click the link here in Canvas, and you will see a list of these are all of my class periods and a link. So for first period, you will say, yes, I'm in first period. Click here to add first period. Second period, click here to add second period, and so on. Remember, you have to click on the period you're in for my class. If you're an online learner and you forgot which period you're in, check on grade book. Make sure to add that Google Classroom. Once you're in Google Classroom, you will first go to the classwork tab right here. And I have a really basic, quick little game. It should only take you about a minute. It will show you a map of our New England colonies, southern colonies, and our middle colonies. You can actually drag these objects. So this one is a snowflake. It would go in a cold region, and you want to sort these things where you think they might go. These are some shackles. They represent slavery. This one right here is some cotton fields. We have some forests or timber up here. We also have a couple people too. We have the Puritans and our Quaker Oats guy with the Quakers. Don't forget about Mr. Sunshine and the breadbasket as well. That's just an introductory little activity in Google Classroom once you add it. Okay, let's go back to Canvas. I'm going to click Next to go to my next agenda item. This is our Colonial Regions quiz. It's set up so you can take it twice, so take it very carefully. You are welcome to use any vocabulary slides, Google Maps, or graphic organizers to help you on this quiz. It's set up to only take twice, so be very careful when you take it. Click Next again, and this will take us to our last thing. I have all of your links for the maps for first quarter, but Canvas dumped them all. I need the links again for this quarter. So it says share your map link again, and there is some video instructions here if you need help with that. But just to run through it really quickly, the trick that Miss Larkin taught me is just to open a Google page and type in the search bar my maps. Actually right here, my maps. And it will take you to this Google My Maps page. Open that, and voila, your maps will show up. I'm going to click the one we've been working on. Remember, we've been working on the 13 British colonies layer with Southern, Middle, and New England. And hopefully your map is looking something like this with our 3 regions, and you are adding cities and places and pictures to this map layer. Make sure your other layers are not turned on. Mrs. Larkin has a full video on how to do this layer. I'll post that again soon. But to get your link to this map, you want to click right here on the share icon in Maps. Make sure that enable link sharing is turned on and click on the copy link. We're going to do that. It should say link copied right here. And then I'm going to go back to Canvas. You will have a green submit button where you can copy and paste in the URL text box. That will give me the link, and then click submit. All right, guys, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.